Hey there, geography enthusiasts. Ever wondered how the Indian subcontinent came to be? Let's dive into the fascinating history behind its formation. First, let's rewind about 200 million years. Back then, all the continents were part of a supercontinent known as Pangaea. Over time, tectonic forces began to break Pangaea apart, and the land masses started drifting in different directions. One of these land masses was Gondwana, which included what we now call India. About 100 million years ago, India began its incredible journey. It started drifting northward at a rapid pace, about 15 centimeters a year. To give you some perspective, that's about as fast as your fingernails grow. As India moved closer to the Eurasian plate, the Tethys Ocean, which separated them, began to close. Around 50 million years ago, the inevitable happened. India collided with Eurasia. This monumental crash gave birth to the mighty Himalayas, the youngest and tallest mountain range in the world. But India's journey didn't stop there. The immense pressure from the collision continued to push the land upward, forming the Tibetan Plateau. The impact of this collision is still felt today, with the Himalayas rising a few millimeters each year. Now let's talk about the Deccan Plateau in central India. This region is a remnant of ancient volcanic activity that occurred around 65 million years ago. Massive volcanic eruptions created the Deccan Traps, one of the largest volcanic features on Earth. This volcanic activity is believed to have played a role in the mass extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs. Imagine a world covered in lava and ash, pretty intense, right? So there you have it. The Indian subcontinent's journey from being part of a supercontinent to becoming the diverse and vibrant region it is today is nothing short of epic. Next time you look at a world map, remember the incredible forces that shaped this unique